Hey creative friends, welcome to my channel. And you know what? I got a surprise in the mail today. I talked to Candace over at DOWAN, and she said she wanted to send me an item that is not even, I don't think it's released yet. It's supposed to release in September or early October, and she wanted me to give you guys a heads up on it. And so we're gonna do a little unboxing of this super cool new thing that's coming out. And I saw it, and I think it's awesome, and I cannot wait to see it in person because she sent me like a picture of it. And I'm not going to tell you what it is. We're going to open it together. Oh my gosh. I love their stuff. I just can't stand how cool it is. Okay. Here it is. Here it is. Getting it out of the box. Oops. Good thing they pack it well. Okay. So here's my box from DOWAN. Let me see. So excited about this, and I'm so glad I got it before my cruise so that I could show you guys, because I told her I would try to. Oh, I love it. Okay, this is a new piece. This is so cool. Oh my gosh, you guys look. This is a utensil holder. I love the colors. Oh man, I just love colors. Ooh, it's got a nice cork bottom so that you could set it on. You know what? The thing that's super cool about this having a cork bottom is it doesn't have to be just for utensils. Like, you could totally set this on a table and use it for flower arrangements. You could set this on anything. It's maybe, you know, something you need to protect from getting scratches. And that is so cool. Look how big it is. I'm going to measure probably 1, 2, 3, 4, like 6 inches tall, because my fingers are about, this is how I measure. It makes Brian crazy. My fingers are like 3 inches, okay? So there's 3, it's like 6 inches tall. It's nice. I am excited. So you could put, let me put some wooden spoons in it so we could just see. This is how it would look as a, oh, and you know what I think is good? Oh, that one didn't get clean like I think it should. I need to rewash that. This is cool because the utensils stay down inside of it, so it's nice and they don't like fall out. I love that. But not only that, a taller utensil would sit in there just fine. I love it. But you know what I will use these for? So I will be able to do all kinds of stuff with this. I'm just thinking, like, you could put cookies in there. You could put all kinds of stuff. You could just fill this up. I would think it'd be cool to put like marbles in there so that you could put different flowers from your garden and not have to worry about, because if you put marbles in there, it would kind of hold up the flowers. This would be a perfect gift. Like, what an awesome gift. It would be great. You know what I would also do? I've got a thing in my craft room that this would be perfect in my other craft room, like where my Cricut is, because I could cut a piece of foam to put in the bottom and then put your scissors point down, and then that way they're protected. That's kind of cool. And I have like all of these little smoothie things that I use at breakfast. I could put all those in there, and then I could just grab them when I want them. I cannot imagine all of the cool things that you could do with this awesome utensil holder. And that's what it's called. It's a utensil holder. But she told me that this is not, hasn't been released yet. This is like coming up. But look at the cool stuff that's coming up. I'm going to put the link for DOWAN in the description, and keep checking. And I will see if, as soon as I find out that this is released, if I'm not on my vacation, but I will let you guys know. But I just wanted to show this to you because she sent it to me and asked me if I could kind of give you guys a heads up that this is coming out before I leave. And I love it. I love the patterns, and I love the colors that they use. So there you have it, a new awesome item from, you know, my favorite company that lets me show their stuff. It's just awesome, from DOWAN. This is too cool. So I hope you guys check it out and just think of all the ways you can use it. Like, it is a really cool container. And I love the fact that it's got cork on the bottom, because that's going to protect, look at that, it's going to protect whatever you set it on. It'd be really neat on a shelf with stuff. I just love it. So there you have it. I hope you guys go over and check out the DOWAN website. You can get like, it's like a rabbit hole because they have amazing stuff and they have really good prices too. And there's a discount. So I'm going to put the information that she sent me with a discount that you can use DOWAN to get a discount on things, and keep your eye out for this awesome new item to come out. All right. Well, there you have it. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.